Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Here I have a malfunction of a Smart I/O that is connected to LS PLC, the kind of distributed I/O. This malfunction or fault causes the loads, which are some fans, blowers, which are 7.5 kilowatt motors. It delays on running because of that error, because of that malfunction. So I have to change that output module, distributed output module. So I have here the LS, this is the new one. We will make unboxing for it. Here it is. This is Smart I/O GRL-RY2C. This used as a output module, but it is not connected to the main base for the PLC. It is the kind of distributed I/O. So I have here all the terminals, and those for input power, and those for communication, and those 5 pins for communication with RNet communication protocol. And I have the manual in English and in Korean language. So what are the specifications for this output module? As I said, what I have here is GRL-RY2C, the kind of relay output, but there is a transistor output, and also I have on a machine digital input for also distributed I/O. So the specifications for this module, it's powered by 24 volt DC, but the relay output can be working with 24 volt DC or 22 volt AC. Okay, so if I powered it, if I connect it at DC 24 volt DC, and if I connect it at AC 220 volt AC, it's an 5 ampere. It's 5 ampere. It can hold till 5 ampere. An interesting thing, its on voltage here with a transistor or input, the on voltage is 19 volt or above. However, it should be work with 24 volt, but it can be work from 19 volt and above. And the off voltage is 6 volt and below. Okay, and here is the connection. The connection is traditional as any output module for any PLC, and those are the communication terminals. Those for sending I/O. Okay, this side is from the main PLC. We can call it the mother, and this is for the module we have here. Okay. Now I'll go to the machine and show you the error that I have, or the fault, the old one with, I replace the old one with this one to solve the problem. Okay guys, this is the output module that causes the problem. The problem is it flickering when the machine is called. After some time, when it is not working, it causes the this output module to flickers. This flickering affects the working of the VFDs, converters, that drives the motors. Those. Okay, we have 8 of them. Each of these VFDs are driving 2 motors. Each one of them is 7.5 kilowatt, which means 15 kilowatt for 2 motors. Those motors are driving fans, or we can call it blowers. All of them are connected to this module through these terminals, but when the machine is cold, it causes all of the VFDs to flickers and not powering on until half an hour. And this is the input module, the input GRL-RY2C, and this is the one that we will replace. Okay, the modules that we saw earlier are connected through here from those smart terminals to those communication modules to this PLC, which is global communication module G6L-RUEA. Okay, we will replace the module and we will test it after that. Thank you so much. Something I noticed here in this module does not exist in the other one, in the old one. Okay, you can see both of them. They are not the same. When we have this switch, little switch, which we can choose between latch and clear. Latching for sure will cause the loads or the outputs to be latched always, even after powering off the module, but the old one hasn't this little switch. So after reconnect all those wires to the terminals, we will choose clear. I think it is already on clear. Yeah, the little switch is on clear choice because we don't want it to be latched. We want it to be clear. And the little potentiometers here, one on 2 and the left one on 0. X16 is on 0 and the right one is on 2. Okay, we can adjust it. The left one is on 2 here, and the right one is on 0. It is already on 0. Okay, I will connect the wires to the terminals and this communication socket, and we will try the machine after that. see the output valve, how it works. Now we're gonna test it. And operate the machine to see how it works. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See anything useful and wait for more useful videos. Thank you so much. See you soon.